Thank you for joining us in celebrating the official release of Titan DXP's newest member of the family, Titan Web. It's been an absolutely incredible journey that began almost 2 years ago. Today, we're going live with a completely new way to interact with Salesforce. What you will see today is an evolution of Titan Forms. We took all of the features that you loved and adapted them to the requirements of the Salesforce ecosystem. We know very well just how much effort it takes to build websites, web applications, from projects getting rejected or really failing altogether. Custom development takes a long time. And when it's finally complete, there are changes that need to be made. The vision was clear. How can we make Salesforce an even more valuable place to store data and drive customer engagement? How can we empower users to create web applications without any code? How can we give users the ability to be agile while having flexibility for adaptation throughout user adoption and the lifecycle of the project? This is Titan Web, innovative web applications for Salesforce. We have a very exciting program today, and really thank you all so much for joining us. We're going to begin with a message from our VP of Product, Ronnie. You'll then get a glimpse of a live website that was created on Titan Web. Then we'll hear from one of our partners and early adopters of the new product. After that, we'll get to see more of Titan Web and learn a little bit about how it interacts with Salesforce. The last part of our agenda will be a very special offering for all of our attendees, and then a few minutes for questions. Please leave your questions in the question and answer dialogue. To get started, I'd like to welcome Ronnie, VP of Product. Ronnie, thank you for joining us live for this occasion.
Hey everyone, I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, Ronnie, can we see you?
Just a second. Yeah.
All
Hi
right,
everyone.
Let's see. Ronnie, great to have you with us today. Just to get started, maybe you could, tell us a little bit about the vision for Titan Web.
Yeah. So first of all, I would really say that I'm really excited to be here and to come to this day because it took us a long time to go here, and it's really a happy day for us. So Titan Web is our newest addition to the Titan family. Titan is a digital experience platform that allows organizations to innovate their ways to engage with customers through different digital channels. Titan Web is an evolution of the Titan Form product, which you all like, and we try to adapt it to the requirements from the ecosystem. We know how hard it is to build a web application. We know that the alternatives are causing projects to get rejected and sometimes even fail. So we took everything you like from our forms, documents, and all other features that we've created, worked for more than 2 years under the radar to make it better using the feedback we learned from our partners and loyal customers. Titan Web is the innovative web application builder for Salesforce.
Thanks for that, Ronnie. And maybe just tell us a little bit of some of the biggest challenges in getting this project off the ground.
Yeah, so working under the radar has its challenges, as you all know, and we couldn't wait any further to show everyone what we were secretly working on. Building dynamic web applications based on any data structure, any Salesforce implementation, giving an answer to all of that, that's a big challenge. These challenges is the main thing that was driving us towards the end target, creating a really good web application builder for Salesforce. And this is just starting to scrape the surface of the challenges we had here in the last couple of years. But now I'm happy to say that we're all past that.
Wonderful. And as someone who has a lot of experience in Salesforce, where do you really see the biggest value in Titan Web as a new member of this very exciting ecosystem?
Yeah, so after a couple of long years in the Salesforce ecosystem, we know that customers and organizations need to be flexible, need to be robust about the solutions they give to their end customers. they need to have tailor-made solutions for their customers, and they need to be agile. They can't wait. They can't develop. So that's one of the reasons, and one of the biggest reasons why we did Titan Web. No code platform, only clicks, to allow organizations to really create a dynamic web applications for their customers. Titan Web gives the organization the option to reduce integration and data duplication between Salesforce and any third-party tools, because everything is live on Salesforce. With Titan, you can build web applications directly on top of Salesforce and leverage all of your data about your customers stored in your Salesforce system in real time.
Wonderful. And maybe if you could just give us a little bit of a glimpse into what's next for Titan, what can we expect to see with now a full range of products going from, we have, Titan Forms, Titan Docs, Titan Sign, and now Titan Web. What's next for Titan?
Sure. So Titan Web is just started. It's going and to keep evolving and growing by the help of the great Titan family and all of the ecosystem. So new in Titan Web, we will allow customers and partners to contribute to this ecosystem, to the Titan platform, by sharing their templates, their components, and different designs that they want to share with all of our customers and all the platforms. And we have a full roadmap of new features and new areas to improve and to bring more innovation and more stuff for you guys. So it's just the start. I want also to thank, really, if we're talking about development and the whole roadmap, so it wouldn't be possible without our great development team, which is led by Nick, Vitaly, and Schnell, we're working really hard in a couple last months to work with me and also all of the companies to really bring all of these features that we are really proud to show you today. And we're really thankful for everybody who helped us, our partners that were working with us in the pilot stages, with our loyal customers, and everybody here on the attendees that we really want to share with you our great news today.
Ronnie, thank you so much. It is a very exciting occasion for all of us, and really thank you for sharing these words. And let's get started rolling out Titan Web to the world. Okay, here we go. Okay, for the first time ever, we now present you with a live website built on Titan Web. So this is My Fitness Club landing page, which was completely built and designed on the Titan Web platform. So here you have the power to build your website according to your specific needs. Bring absolutely any kind of information, bring text, images, related lists, and records from Salesforce, always in real time and never requiring any code. Combine the ability to bring Salesforce data in real time, in addition to static resources that you dictate in the web builder itself. You get to decide what you'd like to come from Salesforce and what you'd like to be static within the Titan Web Builder. This is the Titan Web Advantage. Create copy for your website in any format that you'd like. Bring product categories dynamically from Salesforce into Titan Web. Use Salesforce as your content management system and Titan Web as your web application builder. Seamlessly integrate data from Salesforce into your web page, eliminating the need to duplicate data from Salesforce to other third-party systems and working live on top of Salesforce. No duplicating data means less integrations, less hassle, and less headaches. Each picture, each description, showcase what you want when you want to show it. If you need to change a product or a description, you know where to find it in Salesforce. Just update your record. It's really that easy. Display media from whatever source you'd like. Here, we have YouTube videos that are formatted to fit the page. Integrate Titan Forms into your web pages. This is a fully functional contact form that's able to write data back to Salesforce directly from your Titan Web project. Another exciting feature that we have in terms of creating the experience for your customers is the ability to create custom authentication. This allows you to sign up here or log in to their own personalized area for self-service. Of course, you can brand the login however you'd like. In this case, we created the background of the gym that we'd like to be working with. So let's go ahead and start to see a little bit of the user experience that you can create with Titan Web. Build your website with conditional layers. Dictate the logic in Titan Web that will guide your user experience. Scott will see the men's apparel, equipment that he could buy, the courses he can sign up for. It's completely and totally personalized. When Lauren signs in, she'll see things that are relevant to her, creating a tailor-made engagement experience for your user based on the customer 360 that you already invested so much in with your Salesforce implementation and projects. We know what Lauren loves, when she likes to work out, how she interacts with our organization. Now, let's use that data and let's create an unparalleled web experience to take us to the new era of custom experience. Next, we have a very exciting message that we'd like to share with you. One of the things that we enjoy most at Titan is the relationships that we have with our partners. These are organizations and individuals around the world that are constantly pushing us to improve the platform. Nexell is one of these special partners. Based in Switzerland, they work with almost every sector of Salesforce organizations. Steve Seidel is an architect, consultant, and project manager at Nexell. He has worked on Salesforce projects of all shapes and sizes, from 1 user to over 2,000. In his free time, he loves to run and kayak. We're very happy to share a message that he sent us about our collaboration together and his excitement surrounding all of the new possibilities of Titan Web.
As I start working with Form Titan, my first goal was how can I get some information from the web inside Salesforce? And yes, of course, you have web to lead, you have email to kiss or web to kiss. That's really fine, but it's not enough. I need more. I just don't want to create some leads and then have the information in Salesforce. I want also to get information back inside the web. And I searched a very long time, and then I found from Titan, or I found also Benny. Maybe it's the same, but I don't know. And we have a hard time at the beginning, or maybe Benny had a really hard time at the beginning, because every 2 minutes I was asking, hey, Benny, please help me. Hey, Benny, please help me. His support were really great. So we have a lot of fun, was quite nice. And the product grew up. That was really great. And now we have Titan Web. We have Form Titan still, which is the lovely one, and also Sign Doc Generation. And I can tell you, for every customer that we have, there will still one option that we can solve with the Titan product. So, I mean, at least one option. And the portal is definitively the biggest product, the biggest surprise that's come out. I already work a little bit with, and yeah, you can do everything you want, from reporting, dashboard, from getting information, pushing information inside Salesforce. I couldn't wait, so I start working in staging with Benny and try it. Just get some stripe inside your screen, just put some picture, and then you have a web page which is working easy. And then the second part is get some information from Salesforce, change it, and push it back.
Steve, thank you very, very much for that really wonderful message, and really a pleasure working with you. And thank you again for pushing us farther and farther with our projects to be able to continue to really help the Salesforce community. Next up, we are turning the mic back to Ronnie, who's going to be taking us into a much deeper dive of the Titan Web platform. So here we go. Very excited to see to get started.
Hey guys again. So for our deeper dive, I would like to show you a nice demo of a website that we built on top of Titan Web, obviously. And I will also show you a couple of nice features, nice things that I really like about our new product and how we interact in real time with Salesforce. So just to start, so I've created this website for my local coffee shop, which I really like. Okay, we all drink a lot of coffee, especially nowadays, but we do it at home. So this coffee shop owner wants to engage with his customers. He wants to send coffees to the house. He wants to sell coffee machines and wants to sell coffee beans and all of that. And he needs to create this website that it will also allow him to actually sell his goods online, and also a customer portal for them to actually to have complaints and open tickets and ask questions, stuff like that. So here I want to show you a little glimpse of how you can create this kind of thing using Titan Web. So as you already saw, this is like the first homepage, which is fine. You have a contact us, of course, and all about us and stuff like that, which is completely fine. But next, I want to show you, okay, now I want to see the product catalog. So the product catalog, this is the first thing which is very nice here. So in real time, once I'm going to the product catalog, see that this is a public page, we can actually showcase all of the products we want to show directly here in Titan Web, coming from Salesforce. So all of the information you see here are coming from Salesforce dynamically. Dynamically means that we just place some placeholders. We don't know actually in advance how many products will have. It can have 5 products, or it also can have 50 products. Maybe we want to have product categories and then drill down into the actual products themselves. Everything here is completely dynamic, and it's up to you according to the implementation that you are doing inside Titan Web. In a second, I will also show you how we're working with Salesforce and that to really bring it together. So this is my product catalog. I just want to show you now, just behind the scenes, how this kind of page is looking in the builder, in the actual builder that we're building the website. Okay, so I just switched on to another tab. This is my builder, my new Titan Web builder that you will all get to see a lot of in the next couple of years. So this is my home page, all good. Now I'll go to the product catalog page. As you can see, this page doesn't have a lot, okay, as I said. It just has this title, and then it has a lot of placeholders. So we have a placeholder for the image, for the title, subhead, caption, and of course the YouTube video that is coming from Salesforce. So Titan Web knows to duplicate this kind of strip, this kind of, all of that strip that contains the information for each product, and will duplicate it according to the information coming from Salesforce in real time, which will result eventually in this kind of design. All of these texts are going to extend and collapse according to the length of the text that you have in Salesforce, and everything here will be brought directly from Salesforce. Let me show you an example of, now I'm going to my Salesforce for a second. Obviously here, under product, I have all of my machines, okay? So for example, I'll take this one, and I will clone it to create a new product in real time right now in Salesforce, and then we will see how easy it is. It will just appear directly also on Titan Web without any kind of changes, without any kind of data duplication, moving data from one place to another, nothing. It's all connected directly right now in real time to Salesforce. So I'll just clone the product. I will just give it a different product code, obviously, and I will say, okay, webinar, Titan Web, okay. We'll just keep the same YouTube and pictures and all of that. Click on save, and that's it, okay. This product is now live. Obviously, it has its own prices and files and all of that. We can, of course, change it, obviously. So now I will go to homepage and then click on the product catalog again. And you will see in a second that now we have a new product, which is called Webinar Titan Web. Okay, obviously it has the same pictures and video because we cloned the product just for a demonstration, but you can see the real power of how we bring information directly from Salesforce in real time without any kind of fuss and problems for you, for the IT, to integrate between the different systems and all that, because we are working on top of Salesforce. Next, I want to show you, okay, so up until now, I just showed you some couple of public pages. Now I want to show you a bit more about the customer service, about the private sections of the website, specifically for that user. As you can see, now I'm logged in as Mr. R, okay? So I have my dashboard, I can sign out and all of that, but I can also go to customer service. So this one, for example, shows you a table with all the open cases that my contact has in Salesforce, okay? On the right, you also have dashboards that show you, okay, cases per status, and you can even see account cases, okay? In my case, this contact is related to several different accounts, and once I'll choose the different accounts, it will already update this dashboard as well and show me, okay, what are different cases I have for different accounts. So it's that easy how it's working and creating different things. Of course, you can also create a new case and show your customers the option to really talk to their organization and engage with them in real time. Another great thing that I want to show you, for example, is the option to create a live dashboard for your customers. Leveraging Salesforce reports that we all know that are very powerful and gives you a lot of functionality and options to show and drill down into different options. So here we're taking these reports and all other data that you have in your Salesforce and showing them to our customers, giving them the transparency and the information that they're seeking in this kind of in nowadays. Okay, giving them the option to really engage with us in a lot of different ways in our branding and in our website using our data from Salesforce. This is just a quick example of how it looks like. I will also want to show you just 1 minute of how it looks like on the builder, and that's it. But that's right, just starting to scratch the surface of the different features that you have here in the new Titan Web. So here inside the Titan Web, I will want to create a new project for a second, just to show you the different options that we have and how we work with templates. Okay, so we have different project types. I'll just start with a single web page, for example. We have a lot of different templates that are already can be used for you guys, whatever you want. And as we said, the ecosystem will be keep growing. By Titan team, we'll be adding more and more templates, and also partners and customers that will want to share their templates as well will be able to do so. Of course, it's all for the purpose of bringing more knowledge to the same place. Let me just choose this one, which I really like. I'll choose this theme and call it. Now that Titan Web will create my project and have all of these things already pre-built for me. Now, everything that I need to do right now, I just click the text, for example, and say, okay, I want to bring it from Salesforce. It's that easy, okay? I can bring it from Salesforce, configure specifically where it's coming from a specific record, from a custom metadata, etc., etc. Whatever you decide, you can do here. You can interact, you can different content, conditions, animations, and all of that. If you want to bring more prepared components, scripts available for you, you just take it, drag and drop, and you have it right here. No problem. You have a lot of different sections here, a lot of different options that you can already pre-use and work with it, because we prepared all of that for you. You have prepared components, widgets, tables, input fields, which you can use, of course, for your form, different chart options, forms, obviously, components, and widgets. All of that is up for you to use and create your web application according to your requirements, and all of that will be just keep growing and growing according to the feedback that we're getting on a daily basis from all of our partners and loyal customers. So thank you very much for joining me for this deep dive, and we can't wait to see all of you starting to use the system.
Ronnie, thank you very much for that. That was really great to be able to see, see what we can really do here, and the ways that Titan Web can actually really change our interaction with customers around the world. So the next thing I want to just show everyone is that actually, over the past several months, we have been working very hard to actually create a new website for ourselves and to rebrand Titan to actually now we have a brand new website, titandxp.com, and this is how the website looks. And the first thing I want to show you here is actually the brand new Titan Academy, which we're very, very proud to say is the first web application that is live that was built with Titan Web. So we've actually reworked our Titan Academy that many of you have used as a resource now for a long time to learn about Titan, how to interact with Titan. And what we now have here is a brand new academy where you can come, through the website and get started learning and have really a, sign up for an account, a free account, and begin to learn exactly how to, interact with the Titan platform, whether it's Titan Forms, Titan Docs, Titan Sign, or Titan Web. And that is really exciting to have everyone get to see. So what I'd like to before we end here and get to maybe some questions, what I would like to tell everyone is that we have a very exciting offer for everyone that was able to join this webinar, which is that if you attended this webinar, we're going to be sending you a link to 2 free sessions of professional services with our team, where you'll actually be able to, if you're already a customer, to get online with one of our teammates to get you started with Titan Web, to be able to really start building that first project that you'd like to build on Titan Web. And if you're not yet a customer of Titan, what we would like to do is really to sit with you and to have a session where we can actually go through your particular business scenario, your use case, see exactly how we can help you build that out on the Titan Web platform. So thank you everyone for being with us. Ronnie, do you have any questions that you'd like to answer from the chat?
Yeah, so I can see here several questions. Let me just try to answer as much as possible. So one of you guys asking, can the URL domain be determined by the customer? Can we customize that? So the answer is yes. We have a custom domain option, which allows you to register your own domain, your organization, or whatever domain you own. So people will be able to log into ronnie.com and will be redirected to the website that you created using Titan Web. So yes. Another question I see here, just a sec, where is it? What is the price model? Is it included in the current Titan license? The answer is yes, it's already included for all customers using Gold or Enterprise and HIPAA and all of that packages. So it's already there. We'll be rolling out a new dashboard that you will see a new button to go to the new dashboard, and there you will be able to create a Titan Web project and really start to working with that. If you can't wait and you want to get your hands-on experience right now, so you have 2 options. One is start watching our Titan Academy for Titan Web, which has a full course of over 150 videos and steps on how to get started and how to use and leverage all the different functionalities we have inside the Titan Web. And the second thing you can do, you can just drop me an email at support@formtitan.com and give us your username, and you will get your first trial immediately. Okay, so this is your answer for that. Do you plan to have other connectors than Salesforce? The answer is yes. It's another surprise coming up very soon. Okay. Other than that, we have already a lot of integrations built into the system, but we're also working on another one. Can we integrate WebTitan in an existing website without building from scratch? I'm not sure I'm following the question, but you can build a component or a specific, let's say, in Titan Web, it's going to be called a page, but you will be able to create like something that will be embedded inside an existing website and use Titan Web for that. So you will be able to build like some kind of component inside Titan Web and then embed it in the website, no problem. What is the difference between portal and web? It's the same one. It's called Titan Web, same thing. If my company already have a website, can we give more scenarios which I can benefit from the website? It's all depending on your business requirements. If you have a public website and you want to give your customers the option to enter to their private section and see their data and do some transactions, some kind of, I don't know, maybe updating information, creating cases, uploading files that will be according to that person and stuff like that, you will be able to use Titan Web. Of course, we also didn't talk about, but Titan Web also has the option to be responsive. So we have an AI mechanism that does all of these responsiveness automatically, and you can, of course, also customize that as well. So Titan Web is coming out of the box, working with your mobile phones, your tablets, and desktops, of course. That gives you all the options to create whatever you want. We have a lot of questions. So can we update item or pick list of Salesforce? Yes, you can. Can we build a reusable component? Yes, this is exactly what I was talking about of sharing and community and ecosystem. So you will be able to build templates that you can reuse, strips, components, and a lot of designs. You can rebuild and reuse it in a lot of different projects by your own login, and you can also share it externally so everybody can enjoy from it. Security aspect. Okay, that's a good question, and I would love to answer that. So we have a lot of different security options. You can use Salesforce single sign-on, so you can actually leverage Salesforce users like communities, and we also have JWT options to securely authenticate your customers. And you can also use external IDPs, identity providers services, to identify your customers. And we also have other options that you can see in our platform. What about payment options? This is coming next. Stay tuned. It's in our closed roadmap. Can you elaborate? Okay, so data transferred from our website to Salesforce and security about that. So everything is fully secured and encrypted in transit between Titan Web and Salesforce. We don't save any information in Titan servers. So everything is going directly from the client side. Your user is opening the website and filling out information or bringing information from Salesforce. It's all being encrypted all the way in transit between the client and your Salesforce. We don't have anything in the middle that is coming to Titan servers. Okay. Can we manage some permissions based on type of customers? The answer is yes. We have all of that options. We can do it in a couple of different ways. You can do it with single sign-on JWT, or you can also do it with the conditional layer that we just showed. So once you have your customer logging in, you can set a whole set of conditions saying, if this is the person, then you can redirect him to pages, you can disable functionalities, you can add functionalities, you can show him completely different look and feel of the page and website. Everything is fully customizable according to the profiles of Salesforce, according to the user information that you already gathered in your Salesforce. So you can really build a website that will change his behavior and user experience according to the actual customer that is logging in. So yes, it's exactly one of the reasons why we built Titan Web the way we did. Are other languages provided? Yes, we are working also on multilingual capabilities, which will also come in the near future, which will allow you to actually translate or customize, translate or automatically translate your website and work with multiple languages at the same time. Okay, that's it. I think I answered everything. Ben, of course, if we have any other questions, feel free to reach us out at support@formtitan.com. All of you guys know that support and transparency is one of the key fundamentals things here in Titan, and we are really taking that seriously. So if you have any kind of questions, any kind of concerns or issues, feel free to let us know and ask, and we'll come back to you with an answer really quickly, the Titan way. And obviously, we can also show you a lot of other things. Please go to our Titan Academy, see the new Titan Web course, and see all the other things that we've added, like user cases, scenarios, and also, of course, past webinars. this webinar will also be uploaded to the Titan Academy, so we will be able to watch the recording later. And we hope that you enjoyed and you see the real advantages of the Titan Web. And we look forward, all of you, to see and use our product.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Again, please keep an eye out on your into your mailbox for a special link to sign up for some personal one-on-one time with the Titan team to get started building in Titan Web. We're very excited to see the incredible creative solutions that you'll all come up with in the near future. And thank you again for joining us, and have a great day.